It was indeed a time of one of a kind experience as I hosted business entrepreneurs and some of my celebrity friends on private jet pitch. The event is designed to have entrepreneurs meet with exclusive investors and pitch or get the opportunity to get mentorship.
I think right now you should focus on getting your own clients and your own clientele.
We had limo rides, flew on the private jet, and they had the opportunity of either pitching the deals or having mentorship. And deals were closed. There was lunch, there were celebrity chefs, and of course, we had property tours. If you want to experience this once in a lifetime experience, which is unforgettable,
The number one wealth coach in the world is here.
join us in the next Jet Pitch with the People's Mentor.